In a quaint little town nestled among rolling hills, there lived a man named Samuel. Samuel was known far and wide for his unwavering faith and his ability to commune with the divine. He was a humble and kind soul, always willing to lend a hand to those in need. But what set Samuel apart from others was the way he believed that God spoke to him through his mind. It all began when Samuel was just a young boy. He had always felt a deep connection to the world around him, a connection that transcended the physical realm. As he grew older, he realized that this connection was something extraordinary. He believed that it was God himself who was speaking to him through his thoughts, guiding him on the path of righteousness. Every morning, Samuel would wake up before the sun kissed the horizon, and he would find solace in the quietude of his small home. He would close his eyes and meditate, opening his heart and mind to the whispers of the divine. It was in these moments of stillness that God's voice would speak to him. One crisp autumn morning, as Samuel sat in his simple wooden chair, his eyes closed in meditation, a gentle voice filled his mind. It was a voice filled with warmth and compassion, a voice that spoke not in words but in feelings and emotions. It told him to go to the town square and help a stranger in need. Without hesitation, Samuel rose from his chair and made his way to the bustling town square. There, he saw a weary traveler, his clothes tattered and his face etched with worry. Samuel approached the man and offered him a kind smile. "Friend," he said, "it seems you could use a helping hand. How may I assist you?" The traveler looked at Samuel, tears welling up in his eyes. He had been on a long and arduous journey, and he was on the brink of despair. Samuel's offer of help was like a ray of hope in his darkest hour. Samuel provided the traveler with a warm meal, a place to rest, and some much-needed companionship. As they sat by the fire, the traveler poured out his heart, sharing his troubles and fears. Samuel listened intently, offering words of comfort and encouragement. Days turned into weeks, and the traveler's spirit was renewed by Samuel's kindness and unwavering support. When the time came for the traveler to continue his journey, he thanked Samuel with tears of gratitude in his eyes. "You are a true angel," the traveler said, "sent by God to rescue me from despair." Samuel smiled humbly, for he knew that it was not he who had acted, but God working through him. He had heard the divine whisper in his mind, guiding him to be a beacon of light for a soul in need. As the years passed, Samuel continued to heed the voice within his mind, carrying out acts of kindness and love wherever he went. His reputation as a vessel for God's grace spread far and wide, and people from distant lands sought his guidance and wisdom. Samuel's life was a testament to the belief that God could speak to the hearts and minds of those who were willing to listen. Through his unwavering faith and compassion, he showed that divine guidance could be found not only in grand miracles, but also in the simple acts of kindness and love that one human being could extend to another. And so, in that quaint little town among the rolling hills, Samuel's legacy lived on, a reminder that God's voice could be heard through the gentle whispers of the heart and mind, guiding those who listen toward a life of purpose and love.